The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Morning, Perry. Perry had the best overnight results he's ever had. That's a pretty good night. Up 2260 overnight. That's a damn good. Wow. That's a hell of a week. Good job, Perry. Morning, Ed, Dennis, Sight and Sound are good. Pascal, Jim, good morning. Guys, good morning. Well, my numbers do not compare. Let's see here. Gold up 750 on the 15-minute. Ninzarenko up 250. That's an Apex account. 250. 360 on crude. That's also an Apex account. And 325 on copper. 1685. You set it up for longs only on gold and CL and copper. Nice. Nice. So 1685 for me in the overnight. Nice job, Perry. Do I like the Ninjarenko? I mean, the Ninjarenko certainly is going to take more trades than the 15-minute. But I think that if I had to choose one, I would trade the Ninjarenko. But here's the thing. So I saw your comments in Teams this morning, and you got beat up. I have said repeatedly in education, in this room, time after time, literally 10,000 times. I don't know, maybe not literally 10,000, but I have said it more times than I can count. The grab candle exit, in my opinion, it's going to, listen, it's going to kill you more often than not. I'm not using grab candle exit. I have said that it is a trader choice, trader discretion, more times than I can count. And I know you had it on. Now, it will prevent that runaway. Listen, I had one last night, right? I was down 1470 in crude. Had a full loss, full stop out. Now, the grab candle exit would have saved probably $1,000 on that trade. But for every trade it saves you, it probably hurts you a dozen times. Now, what I would, listen, if anybody is interested in doing this, I mean, this is kind of up Dean Handley's alley. I don't know if Dean is in, but build copper build it on two charts. Run one with the grab candles, one without, or run with the exit, one without, and run it for a week or two in sim and track like I used to do with the algo, max draw, max gain, blah blah blah. Well, there won't be a max gain because we're working with daily targets. But at the end of 2 weeks, you say, okay, this is the data. One made X, the other made Y. This is what I choose to trade. Now, again, if you're trading $50,000 accounts, again, I've said this many times, you may want to downsize from what is in the member area. Those are my opinions. If you guys want to use this correctly, I think that you have to obviously size down if you're trading smaller evaluations or PAs. That makes sense. But be that as it may, I will have, my programmer texted me this morning, and I will have an updated version with a chop filter today. So hopefully, I'm sure I will. So tomorrow I should be using a new version of the indicator. All right, and then assuming it works and everything is good, I'll send it to Sean. He's out of town until this weekend, I believe. But next week it'll get sent to the programmer, and by midweek, late in the week next week, you guys should all have it. All right. Anybody else get reasonable numbers overnight? All right. Not a lot of chat this morning. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future success. Please trade according. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts and your own tolerance for risk. Come on, turkey. Couple more. There it is. Target filled. ES. Guys, the negative delta is 600 contracts. It's just chop. Shay's a little choppy. That was the 1 minute I canceled the trade. Come on, you piece of shoot. Let's not get chopped. Oh, it's 10:03. Come on. One more down move. One more down move. You can do it. Fucker. I mean, this shouldn't bounce till it gets to 25, right to target. It's got some support, I guess, at 27. Come on. Push. Push. Come on, I'm not Greg. I don't have this kind of patience.
Sure you do.
No, I don't.
Well, you can do it. You can do it.
Here goes my day. Come on. There's no way I had this in longs. Yeah. Motherfucker.
Order canceled.
Come on, give it to me.
Order submitted.
All right. Let's go get that other target. Last target. One contract left. Give me my next target.
Order failed.
Got it. All right. Now I'm done. Thanks, Mark. Appreciate it. All right. Back above VWAP, guys. One left. Now I'm holding.
Order submitted.
Let's see. 15. We should get to 803. Anybody long? Okay, Lita. Okay, Patrick. Come on. Let's go. No, don't pull back. Come on.
This 80 area might be a little bit tough.
Come on. Come on. A few more buyers. Trump's talking to him again. Let's go.
Was he talking earlier? Is that what was going on?
Yeah, I had a conversation with Z. Who knows about what? The press reports it, and the market goes up 170 handles for nothing. It's stupidity. Stupidity. I do have a target here.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I mean, that's what I'm saying. You know, Bob, who knows what the conversation was about?
There you
807. If we get above this 95, we go 807 half. Got to break 95. Bottom of that cloud is 805. Trade it as you see fit here if you have runners. We're at the 1 minute retrace, 50% retracement level. Got to break above in the 1 minute, and we start working toward 19. Let's trade like Greg. Just leave one on. Forget about it till 4 o'clock. That's why he makes the big dough. We get through yesterday's high, guys. It's a breakout. Now they got trapped short. Our short's trapped. Yeah, copper put in a higher low. Would not want to see copper break back above 060 personally. I'm not in it, so.
I am still holding too short in copper.
Copper, it could bounce back to 225. Crude is short. I wasn't watching crude. How about you, Greg?
Yeah, I'm not in crude.
Need to get through yesterday's high, fellas, and I think we break out back to the highs.
The earliest long on copper that I would have, that's what somebody was asking, would be a 415, 420 area. It stands right now. few minutes before the nat gas announcement, and anybody's trading nat gas, be aware.
Greg, what's your copper stop?
You mean on the short or for the long?
No, on the short. Where's your stop on the short on copper?
I'm at break even on my stop there. That's 395 is my stop.
This is key. Come on. Just come get target and you're done. One target. Man, I get to $25 twice. Come on. 54's got to hold. Mother huckster. Oh, got it. Done. What the hell happened here? Trump hung up on Z. I don't know what that was about. I'm done. I'm green. I'm not turning anything back on. The hell is this? 1035. All right. Gold on the Ninzarenko for me was up 3 something on an Apex account. I took that last trade and took the hit. So I'm down 15. So I switched it to Sim up 6. So down 900 for me on the Ninzarenko. Okay. I'm down 900. Copper on an Apex account up 325. Gold up 750 on the 15-minute. And crude up 360. ES on the 1 minute plus 745. I'm sorry, NQ 1 plus 745. NQ Ninzarenko 275. And ES up 800. I changed the daily goal to 4, got 1 trade, reset it, let it take a second trade, so plus 800. So the total today, probably not as good as some of you guys, but 800 plus 275 plus 745 plus 360 plus 750 plus 325 equals minus 900, 2355. All right. Guys, have a blessed day. I will see everyone tomorrow at 8 a.m.